ayun yung tanong ko, bakit fourth runner-up yung ipapadala? Then I've chanced upon her IG kasi hindi ko mag-investigate, blah, blah, blah. So may nakita ako na yung title niya dun sa profile niya, I actually have the screenshot of it, nandyan sa post ko dito sa wall, na siya na yung Miss Universe Philippines, tapos hashtag Pampanga 2025, something like that. So I had an idea na, so bakit kaya yung fourth runner-up? So sabi ko, initially, baka dinecline ni second and third runner-up. So syempre, yung fourth runner-up na. But apparently, parang hindi ganyan ang kwento ba? O important ulit to, Sherwin. Yung aking record, go. Ano ang masasabi niyo dito? Lalo na si Sarah. Oo, napakaganda nga. Okay.
Ako po, when I know, nung nalaman ko po na parang, yun nga, magbaback out yung twin sister namin na si Puza. So, at first, syempre sad, of course po, kasi na parang marami na rin pong na-sacrifice. Yung team niya and siya, or like, we are we are competing or maybe we are attending events for 3 months. So, ayun. She is really a front runner. And yun na nga po, we really can do anything about it kasi nga, she wants to focus on her studies. And then, yeah, we knew na, before pa ma-announce, we know na po na parang may nakapagsabi na po sa akin na appointed si Doktora. Of course, si Dr. Ranchua, which is, si Dr. Ranchua is very humble. And I think that she's also ready for the national stage. Of course, nagkaroon din po ng question sa, why not the first runner-up and then the second runner-up. And then, nasabi rin po sa amin na the first runner-up na-endorse na po siya sa Angeles City. And then, yun na nga po, I think we just, the local...
Paampon, no? Ito na paampon ko na sa inyo, itong ano.
Ano ba?
Parang pinaampon ng dating, o yung first runner-up, papaampon ko na sa inyo. Kay Angeles, diyan ka na. Ate, Charing, sige.
I'm not really sure po what happened sa ganon. Pero yun nga po yung sinabi. I'm not sure kung paano po yun. Like, si first, since siguro po Angeles City din po kasi yung nire-represent ng first runner-up.
Yes.
Since may franchise naman po ang Angeles City, so baka nag-collab po. Ganun po siguro yun. And then, ayun po, so parang naisip ko rin naman po si Mariel, my twin sister, second runner-up na gano'n. Pero I think the local director, hindi ko po alam kung may qualifications sila na siguro po na sinunod or baka yun nga po yung suppose nila after deliberation and everything, they decided to appoint fourth runner-up. And for me naman, ang dami po kasi sa Facebook na parang who is your bet? Third runner-up or the fourth runner-up? Na parang nagkakaroon po ng something.
Contest ulit.
Yeah,
Oo. Parang siyang parang siyang drag race, a game within the game.
Parang kailangan mo pang ipaglaban, may run. Ito na nga ako
Sabi ko naman po, tapos na yung competition. Ako naman po kasi parang sa akin, I'm not saying I'm not affected, but I'm not that affected. Kasi kung magde-decide man po yung org na in-appoint si Dr. Ranchua, that's fine. And if they decided to follow the runner-up, they will still, it will still be the second runner-up. So kahit ano pong mangyari, I will not represent the MUPH Pampanga. So parang ako po, I'm okay. I'm very grateful with my place, as a third runner-up. Kasi yun na nga po, kahit saan po mag-decide, since si Doctor is also ready, I saw her dedication din naman. Talaga pong during the competition, her dedication para makakuha ng spot pa sa coronation night. So, yun nga po, I just want to clear things out sa mga fans po ng Candaba, fans po ng Santa Rita. There's nothing to fight for. So parang we are not competing as women. So we should both support each other. And now na si appointed Dr. Ranchua to represent us Kapampangans, we should fully support po our representative. Kasi and ako naman po, I would like just to respect the decision of the local director kung ano man po yung naging